It's Sabrina Rombach. I'm your hostess. Nice to see you again. And today I want to ask you, what ignites you to apply to PA school? For all of those who are currently a PA, or for those who are PA students, or for those inspired to go into our field. Awesome. So, happy PA week. Physician assistant has been around for more than 50 years. Initially, the profession has been created to fill the gap in our healthcare industry, specifically the shortage with primary care physicians, and just that the residents were working way too extremely long hours. As the profession evolved, we're able to prescribe medication, diagnose, treat, do surgery, like me in heart and lung surgery, and have really be able to cover a variety of every single population of type of disease and management. And I'm proud to say I'm a PA. We work well with all other healthcare teams, both nurses, nurse practitioners, and our physician supervisors, and those of other healthcare professionals like pharmacists, therapists, and everybody else in between. So today, in celebration of PA Week, I wanted to ask bunch PAs who are currently working or in school, what are the reasons that ignite the fire within them to go into this profession as compared to all these other great professions out there? Guess what is the number one reason that got them into this field? If you know the answer, then give me a comment below. Tell me what you think that is, and feel free to share your story. I would love to hear them. If you don't want to discuss it in the public, then please DM me, send me a message. I would love to chat. All right, ready to hear the answer? Drum roll. Okay, you guessed it right. It is mentorship. All of them had a great mentor to model the road for them, to inspire them to go into this profession. Mentors. Yeah, everyone needs to have a mentor in life and continue to have someone in their life to challenge them so they can be even greater and to guide us into the right path so we don't derail and pick too many other things that doesn't lead us to where we want to go. And ultimately to draw out our inner ability that sometimes we don't even see it within us. Of course, we can all learn by ourselves. However, in something this intense, we do need that little fire to get into us to keep going forward. And in life, it is a journey. It's an idea that we have, a final destination that we're trying to reach, and guidance, challenge, and ultimately cheering for us to get us there is what we wanted, and it will be the easiest and fastest way to get there. So now let me share some of the stories that people have told me today, and some are very inspirational. One person told me that she wanted to get into PA school and become a PA because some of her close friends in high school had gotten into terrible car accidents. At the time, they talked about how great PAs were able to help them throughout their journey in their care and explain things well with their family member. So she decided that that's what she wanted, to be with people in the worst moment of their life, but do whatever you can to turn that things around. And another person shared with me that he went into PA school because both his parents actually passed away in high school. And he truly didn't have a great guidance in life until he started exploring and shadowing different career professionals. And one of them was a PA. And he truly showed him how he is able to interact with patients, coworkers, and demonstrate his own autonomy and ability as a clinician. So this person actually gone into apply for a certified nursing assistant and work a few years in that route before he applied to PA school to solidify that is his true path. Awesome. So now let me share with you what my path has been. And I was definitely not the talented, nor have any more resources than anybody else. I was just someone who keep on grinding. I think it's just the Asian culture per se that you somehow don't even see A- as something acceptable. So in a way, you have to continue working on yourself. And however, that also gave me the grit, the passion and persistency to get me to where I am and where I want to go in life. So that being said, I was in college junior year. I took my MCAT book, prep book. I was in the pre-med round to Spain. I studied there for 5 years. And during that time, I realized that I wanted to have a better quality of life, knowing that medical school is minimum 4 years, and I knew I wanted to do surgery because even in college and high school, I shadowed a bunch doctors and PAs and just people from different specialties. And I knew that if I have gone to medical school, it would be 4 years, and plus I would need to take additional at least 5 years or so to get into residency and potentially fellowship. And that journey to me is too long. And when I was researching, PA is the only one that not only I can do a lot of hands-on procedure, be there with the surgeons, and be able to see my patient before and after surgery. I did look into CRNA, looked into nurse practitioner, looked into just anesthesiology assistant. So different ways that I can still be in the OR, but knowing those are very limited diversity, because PAs are able to treat all population from pediatric, women's health, all the way to elderly geriatric. And if I wanted to switch to a different field besides surgery, which I have been in heart and lung surgery for almost 5 years, time flies, I have the ability to. I did try that. I went into emergency surgery, I went to hospitalist, but ultimately my love, my heart is still in surgery. All right, guys. Thanks for listening to us and sharing some stories. Hopefully some of those other stories has been motivating you. And for anybody else who are looking to grow a community, and whether you already have a core foundation where you would like to join other people to share insights so we can boost our energy without having those afternoon crushes, and increase our productivity so you can actually get to spend less time and get more done, and ultimately create that balanced life. So not only you're an awesome clinician, but you're actually a loving person and able to spend time with your family member, finally go to dinner, that date night, and pick up your kids from soccer game. I will also share a link below with you for the private group that we have for healthcare professionals who are looking to support each other. We don't whine, we don't complain, we're simply there to serve. Great. If you liked today's episode, please give me a thumb up, give me a heart, like it, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And do remember to click on the bell for notifications. And hope to see you guys another day. Bye.